Hey Charity, this is Paul Heck. Adam and I are looking at your website and looking at just what it would take to actually bring a website for you guys up in the search rankings. So I know you have a Facebook page right now. I'm going to show you some things about what it takes to get your website to rank up in the top. And it's not all about just having a great looking website. That's just kind of a given. But we're looking at like what does it take to actually move it to the top of the search ranking when somebody searches for a home remodel or any type of construction project that you guys do. So the first thing that Google is looking for is like, we're trying to rank you as the authority. Google says that you have to have 1,500 words of content on your homepage minimum, and they also want keywords that people are searching for you in that content. So if it's like home remodeler in Crestview or contractor, Fort Walton Beach, those are the type of search terms that we need to get into that content, and we do that in a specific way on your website. So we talked about content. The second thing that Google is looking for is backlinks. So these are other websites that link to yours, that pass power to yours. This would be like a blog post out there that is linked, that has the keyword in it, and it actually is a clickable link in that keyword, and that refers back to your page to where your keyword is. And Google passes power, sees the power pass back and forth between the websites. They're trying to create a big footprint about, who's the authority, remember. Third thing is going to be citations. So this is your name, address, and phone number listed on as many online directories that we need to beat your competitors. So a lot of times what we find is your competitor will have 20 or 30 citations. We want to get 80 to 100 just so that they're always playing catch up, as some of these things fall off over time, and it keeps us, occasionally you'll have to add some more of those on, but it just keeps us ahead of our competitors. So diving in, I'm going to look at, I've got you guys got a Google Business Profile up. That's great. You're going to need to get some reviews on that. 5-star reviews are super important in ranking you in this map section. And this is what I'm talking about when I type in home remodeling Crestview, Florida. You've got some people running sponsored ads at the top. You've got, again, a sponsored ad in the map pack, and then you've got McGuire's and Wade Family Homes and America's Home Place popping up for the map section. So that we definitely want to help you rank your Google Business Profile for this section and get that popping up in there. The other piece is the organic side. So that's where Angie and Yelp and Houzz are all showing in the top 3 right now. And then Wade Family Homes is popping up right under that. Now, if I'm going to dig into Wade Family Homes' website just to show you what it is, they're talking about roof replacement. It looks like they're trying to target a bunch of roofs. But for whatever reason, that is popping up for home remodel. And they have some content on their website that's pushing them up in the search rankings for that. Now, if I look at how strong their website is, this is a program called Ahrefs. It just allows me to see like what the website strength is. You've got a 4.7 on the DR rating, that's your domain, and the URL rating is a 6. So that's really pretty low. And what that tells me is this is a beatable company. You can do some SEO work and really push up past them in the search ranking. They have 114 backlinks. So these again are those other websites that are referring, and those are coming in through just 20 different places. So like this, the ratio of this needs to be a whole lot closer, on a 2-to-1 basis, something like that. But they've got some things going in their favor right now. They're doing a little bit of work. 35 keywords showing, and let's look at those keywords. So they have the keywords of Wade Family Homes, Home Builder Crestview, Florida. That gets searched 40 times a month. It has a 0 on the keyword difficulty. They're actually popping in at number 20 position on that, so they're not really doing much work to try to get that keyword. Roofing company's not going to be for you. Let's look down here. New construction homes, Fort Walton Beach. That might be something that you would be after. 30 volume on that. New construction in Niceville, 40 volume on that. They're in position 37. You've got some more roofing. New construction in Crestview, 40 searches a month. You've got new homes in Niceville, 50 searches a month. You've got, we're just kind of going through here, kind of looking and seeing what keywords would be. New home construction, Niceville, 10 searches a month. You add up all of these 10, 15, 20, 30 searches a month, you start to get some good volume coming for the actual services that you provide. Let's look at a different company real quick. First Choice Home Improvements is popping up again, over in this section. They're right here, right under Wade. And they have a little bit stronger website. They don't have any backlinks though, so the content's carrying them, to get them up in that position. I think it's number 5, but they're only being picked up for 2 keywords. So Again, the competition for this area is really, really low. I definitely think it's something that you could go after and pick up some more work from your website. Looking at just remodel Destin, Florida. Type that in. You've got sponsored ad by Anchored. You've got Reds Express, Wolfgang, and on-site remodeling popping up in the map section. You definitely want to try to get into that. And then you've got this Angie and then revivepropertiesco.com. Let's look at their website. They have a pretty slick looking website as far as graphically. I like that. I like the little movement of that video they have there. Really nice look, but they don't have much content. You know, really got to get this content up and got to have those keywords inside that. Looking at the keywords they're being found for, got their site in here. 0 on the DR. They've got 4.7 on the URL rating. They're popping up just because there's no competition. Somebody needs to go after this big time. 25 keywords, let's look at those. Bathroom remodeling Destin, 20 searches a month. Bath remodeling Destin, 20 searches a month. Remodeling company Jonesville, that might be in your service area, 30 searches a month. You've got new construction Destin, 70 searches a month. Home remodeling, that's Gainesville, it's probably out of your area. New homes in Destin, 60 searches a month. So again, we just match up like where you're searching, where your services are, what type of projects that you're looking for, and try to go after it with the content and then build backlinks to these specific keywords. That's it in a nutshell. We also work on the Google Business Profile, as I said, making it help you get a QR code so you can get reviews. Those 5-star reviews are very important for that. Optimizing the description, the business description on that, so make sure you've got some keywords in that business description. And then also do some additional posting. We'd like to post like 4 times a month with some additional just content, throwing a photo on of a project that you've done, creating some content around that with some of those keywords are all important things that you need to do on an ongoing basis. This will help push you up in the search ranking and start to rank you higher and bring some more business coming your way. Again, just to recap, keywords in the content, 1,500 words minimum. You've got backlinks. These are other websites that refer to yours, external websites, and citations, online directories like Manta, yellowpages.com, etc. Getting 80 to 100 of those. My name is Paul Heck again. We would love to help you out. I know Adam's going to follow up with you and just see what you thought about this video. But let us know if you have any questions. We would love to help you build some new business in 2024. Thanks.